Hello KaFam! Welcome to our channel. Isang araw, isang pahina ng aming buhay.
Yeah, this one. Or first game, look over there.
Last week was a busy one for us preparing for first birthday celebration at home since Iloilo City is still on modified general community quarantine or MGCQ due to coronavirus pandemic. We hope everyone is doing fine and able to adapt to the new normal. Anyways, this video will share the first part of our DIY farm-themed birthday celebration for my niece and Claire's cousin. Farm birthday loot bags. Event planning has been one of my passions but never really got a chance to enter the industry. Thus, disclaimer, I am not a professional event planner but I would like to. To start off, let us show you the materials and goods that we will use. This is our Shopee purchase small booty or palm bayong bags that cost 33 pesos each. And we must say it is a good choice if you are planning a farm-themed event. And to fill up spaces on our bayong when we put the loot bag fillers, it will be nice to use Japanese paper just to make sure that everything will be in place and tight. Anyways, Claire gave me a superhero patch she made because she believes we need superpower to finish everything we need for the party. Going back to our bayong, you can use any colors that you want or have it in color combination. But we decided to use green to stick to our farm theme and it closely resembles grass, isn't it? I'm making our Japanese papers ready by making sure that each bag can have the same amount of it. No more, no less. You might notice that I get a little organized about things, and that is because of my personality. Now, let's take a look on our loot bag fillers as I give two very important things to consider in your loot bags preparation. Stick to your theme and expensiveness doesn't matter. Remember that loot bags are meant to be given away to children and not for you. So, buy something based on your receivers more than of your own preference. Some of these fillers that we have are on sale. That's why it's a good thing to shop what you need ahead of time, and who knows, you will find stuffs in great deals. Now it's time to fill in our bayong, and we got little helping hands here. You can encourage kids to help you out since it will develop their gross motor skills, organizing skills, and they will have fun counting and touching different textures with attractive colors to their eyes. Be reminded that even experts are trying several times before they get what they really want or the perfect one. It means that it's okay to try different ways how you can arrange your fillers in different ways until you will be satisfied by how it looks. As we always say in our channel, feel free to be horrible. Now for the tags, the color option of our printer is still broken, but it will not stop what we want to achieve, but rather we became more resourceful. This is an old trick that we've learned at school, how to make our work more colorful. As what our teachers usually do, paste your work on a colored paper. You can even color it out with crayons and color pencils. That makes your loot bags more personalized. There you are! We are done with our first loot bag. 1 down and 6 more to go. Since we are on quarantine, we will not be able to host a party with guests outside our home. 7 is the number of receivers after we counted kids who are just living near our home. We will have it as a door-to-door delivery to maintain social distancing. Have you think of why there are loot bags in birthday parties? Well, just like a souvenir in any event or places you've visited, a loot bag is a reminder of the fun memories that you've gained and will keep the party energy for a few more days after it ended. Especially for children, loot bags are the one they are always looking forward to receive after the party. Having loot bags on your party doesn't mean that you are trying to show off, and it doesn't have to be expensive too. For example, simple candies are not too costly, but it can give so much joy. That makes children great attendees because they can be genuinely happy without even asking what the price is. Which leads us to our old proverb, it's the thought that counts. As we always say, the simpler the better. Love, Nanay and Claire.
Oh my goodness!